Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bomova brand heated electric blanket and it's giving you an F1 error and it's probably not heating properly and you want to know what you can do about it to get your blanket working again. So the F1 error, like a lot of these errors, has to do with the connection issue. So the blanket is able to get enough electricity to run the controller, but not enough to heat like it needs to heat. And so what you need to do is just turn your blanket off and unplug it from the wall, and then just check all of the connections on it. Check the wires going in and out of the controller, in and out of the blanket, and make sure that everything is looking like it's connected, it's snug, it's not frayed or anything like that. And then you want to plug your blanket directly into the wall and get it snugly plugged into the wall. Now, if you had it plugged into an extension cord or a power cord, and plugging it into the wall fixes the problem, then that'll tell you that that extension cord or that power strip were not heavy duty enough for the blanket's electricity needs, and you'll have to just use this blanket either plugged in directly to the wall or get a more heavy duty extension cord or power strip. So anyways, I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.